don't know if there's anything left in the chute or not. We had a potential target at 39 and a quarter. And this could be a shakeout also right here, just like the shakeout on the top end. We could get a little shakeout on the bottom. And you can really see how once we got back under the blue line and stayed under, then we went into the knife again just to knock out these traders. So we're still doing an inside bar. That's all we know. And in my opinion, we're probably still have to rely on this 49. Risk reward came back. Real key, I said, I thought would be the 45 area. And you can see how it sets up. So south side, we had said possibility today to get a pullback. This is good news for the shorts. It's still not conclusive, but really good sign that we got our pullback today. You know, you can see the horseshoe shape. And right here, when this is starting to climb and trying to get its head above water, and we said, you know, use that high for resistance, because it's going to come back and should test 46 no matter what. And then we said 45 will be it. And just in the last few bars, this is where this is broken down one more time, the second shakeout. So we said by and large today would be good if we came back and explored this territory that we had gone up yesterday without any kind of a backing and filling. This area, you know, don't forget, yesterday we got up here and then held on to traders, said, no, we got you. And the bucket shop trade comes back overnight. And now all of this territory that had previously been, you know, left alone, we've now come back to the magnet. What's our magnet? Hang on. At 37.5 for the magnet. So realistically, we're a lot closer to home. So let's leave 37 as the big idea for now as support. And anybody that's got the second pass outside better take something. Because it's still lunchtime. There's still time in the day to bounce. In Q, the 60s are looking good today. Trannies are looking good. Yeah, crude's coming back finally. So this balance is a good idea. It is a good representation of balance, certainly. Double this morning, and that breaks. So that leaves all this territory that was unexplored from this push from yesterday to be explored today. And this is what I meant when I posted online, you know, FT71 was talking about the targets up here at 70 or whatever. Yeah, they're valid, but I said I think we need to get a little more, you know, pullback, because I look at this as, okay, this is a double for now, but still you've got resistance up here. So we're filling out this box. We're still in that same box we have been in now for a while. See, we're still resolving this kind of a triangle. We talked about this as a possibility of a triangle still being resolved. That was the premise that, well, yeah, you know, but we're ahead of ourselves. We can see that already. So this needs another balance. I look at this as a one-legged stool. Just the two of these together is, you know, one shot deal, and now up here and rejected, and now we're still battling down here. Same idea. You know, we've got a triangle that we're really working within for now. And that makes more sense than just stand on tippy toes here and shoot right up there to you know, those targets at 70 or whatever. That's why I said you can get faked out if all you do. It's like looking at one of your kids, you know, 2 years old. Wow, look how much Junior's grown in 2 years. Man, by the time he's 10, he's going to be 10 feet tall. You know, there's a proportion that stops working after a while. So I think that today's plan to expect some kind of a pullback for better balance was the right idea. And you don't know until it resolves itself, but this just makes a whole lot more sense to come back in all of this territory that wasn't done. And by and large, we're exploring the 40s. We bypass them. Right? We're in the 30s. We bypass the 40s. We get up into the 50s. So today, let's come back and fill in the 40s. It's back and fill. Perfectly healthy for the market. Cannot be construed as, oh my God, we're going down here, or oh, we're going up there. All we know is we're neutral. We're in here. We're in this range. Resolving this range we've been resolving. And that's the problem with markets. One day you're, okay, convinced all we can do is go up. And then, oh my God, all we can do is go down. So do I like this? Absolutely. I think this is the essence of trading, is understanding these ideas and guessing right about it. And if you're wrong, saying, okay, you know, yesterday was built in. This was already in. And then end of the day, bang. And everybody that was so super bullish yesterday, now again, everybody's turned their heads around looking this way. And one, in my opinion, it's more neutral right in here. Just one man's opinion.